Trying to create a DeepSeek AI account, but not getting the OTP code? Here's how to fix the problem and sign up successfully. Solution 1. Sign up using email and OTP code. First, open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type DeepSeek. Tap on Install and wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, tap Open. Now tap on Sign Up. Enter your email and create a password. Then tap on Send Code. You'll now see a human verification step. Go ahead and complete it. Next, check your email inbox for the OPT code. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or promotions folder too. Once you find the code, go back to the app and type the code into the box. Now tap Sign Up, then tap Agree to the terms. Tap Start Chat, and that's it. Your DeepSeek account is now created successfully. You can also sign in using your Google account. From the sign up screen, just tap on Sign in with Google, then tap on Agree when prompted. Now select your Gmail account, and you'll be signed in automatically. And that's how you can easily create a DeepSeek AI account using either method, with email or Google login, and solve any OTP issues along the way. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.